Okay, we're going to be doing construction number 2 here, making a copy of an angle. So we're going to be given an angle. We're going to construct an angle that is congruent to the original angle. So we need an original angle here. So I'm going to start off by creating an angle. Of any size. This one happens to be acute, but it doesn't have to be. I'm going to label this vertex A. And I'm going to label some points out here, C and B, so that we have angle CAB. And that's our given angle. This is our original angle. We wanted to make a congruent copy of this. To do this, we're going to need to draw a ray. I'm going to label the starting point of the ray point D. Now, we go up here to the original angle, the one that we want to make a copy of, and we want to put our crosshairs right on the vertex of the angle. And then we want to set our length of our radius to really any length at all will work. I'm going to set it right about here. And we draw the arc. We're going to need to remember that length. So keep the length the same. Remember that I was using this hole, not this hole. Remember I was using this hole. Come back down here to the ray. Put my crosshairs on point D. And make a copy of that arc again. And make sure that it's big enough that it will make a copy of this angle. Now we want to come back up to the original angle, set our crosshairs at this first vertex, put our crosshairs right here on the first vertex here, and then we want to come and we want to set our length of our radius to the intersection of the arc and the other side of the angle. So I don't know if you guys can see this in the camera, but I can see right in this hole where the arc is intersecting the side. And I need that length. So now I come down here to where the arc is intersecting the ray DE. I'm going to put my crosshairs here on point E. And again, remembering which hole we used, set the arc, and note that this point here we'll call point F. If I connect from D to F now, I have just made a congruent copy of the original angle. So angle CAB is congruent to angle FDE.